Now we are going to create multiplication table using Python by using for loop method, because in one more program we are going to use the function. First we are going to see the for loop method. Okay, for that first we need to create a variable. For that variable we are giving table number, tab num. Okay, for example we are giving 10. In the next line we are going to use the for I in range from number 1 to 17. Why we are giving 17? Because up to 16th we need to generate the table. Okay, in the next line we need to print just two multiplication, I incremental number and table number variable. That's all. Now you can see the output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so this is the 10th table output. But this is not enough. So we are decorating the print command. In this print increment variable, for the multiplication symbol we are using x. In the next table num variable. That's all. Now we are seeing the result. Okay, see the result. Now it is exactly looking like in the multiplication table book. Okay, but this is not enough because we are giving number 10. So we are getting the table only for the 10. Now we need to change that because user may need whatever table number he needs. So we are changing the tab number as input. Okay, in this line we are consciously doing one mistake. What it could be? Please check the result and we will correct that error later. Okay, saving the code and seeing the output. Enter the table number you need. Now we need to give the input to. Yeah, what is the mistake? Actually 22222, because in that error line it took the variable as string. That is the, now we corrected it as integer. Now see the result, same 2. Okay, the table we got. This is the Python created table. In this part of the video we are creating multiplication table in Python using function method. In the last session we have used the for loop. Now we are using the function method. Okay, for that first we need to create a function name. For that we need to define function name. Okay, we are using to n comma I. Okay, in the very next line we are simply multiply those n star I. In the very next line we need to increment the I operator. So I is equal to I plus 1. In the very next line we need to check whether the I is equal or less than 16, because we need to get the result up to 16. Okay, in the next line we are simply call the function name. n comma I. Okay. In the last line, we are calling the function table 14 comma 1. Okay, now we are saving the code and getting the result. Okay, 14th table 14, 28, 42. Okay, but this is not enough, so we need to decorate in the print function as we did in the for loop method. Okay, here n I, then for the multiplication we are using x symbol in the within quotes, comma, then another operator n, comma, in the within quotes we are putting equal symbol. Okay, that's all. Now we are saving the code and getting the result. Now we are getting exactly as it is in the multiplication table book. But even in this, not enough, because we need to give the user a choice to get the table number as he needs. So we are rearranging for that. Tab num, table number is equal to integer input enter the table number you need. After this line, we have to replace the 14 with this variable name tab number. Then only we will get the correct result. Okay, now we are saving the code and getting the result. Okay, we need to enter the table number 14. Okay, so this is the method. We need to create multiplication table in Python using function method.